How to lose 20 pounds fast. Today I'm giving you some tips on what I did exactly, and I can show you pictures and proof that I know what I'm talking about. So let's go straight into this video. Let me calm down. But before I give you my tips, you don't want to lose anything fast. I know it's very tempting. You know, like, you want fast results. You want to see your body looking good. You want, yeah, everybody wants it fast, right? But losing weight fast is not the way you want it. If you lose weight too fast, you will have sagging skin and excessive amount of stretch marks. We don't want that. We don't want that. So we don't want to lose anything quick, especially not weight. So the first tip is watch what you eat. That is the main thing. Watch what you eat. You're overeating. I'm overeating. We already know it. That's why we're in a position that we was in, but that's okay. So listen to me. If you change your eating habits, you will see a change in your body. The first thing you will see is your face. No one will recognize it yet. After a few more weeks of you eating healthy and working out, that's what everyone will like, wait, something's different about you. But until then, watch what you eat. And I know that's probably like, watch what you eat. Like, how exactly can you do that? I do not count calories. I used to in the beginning. Now I'm just mindful of how many calories is something. And this is the main thing that helped me lose weight, is intermittent fasting. So I only eat twice a day. And if I'm extremely hungry, I eat like some handful of nuts, fruit, you know, healthy options, but only eat 2 full meals. And I feel like intermittent fasting helped me drastically. And I know a lot of people say, I can't do that, I can't do that. But when you think about it, I do the 18-8 method. So you're sleeping for about what, 6 to 7, 8 hours. I hope I can get 8 hours sleep. I don't know what's going on, but I cannot get 8 hours of sleep. But you sleep for those hours, and as soon as you wake up, you don't eat. Usually you don't as soon as you get out of bed. I don't know if anybody else probably do, but I don't. And like, my first meal is probably, depending, 12 o'clock sometimes. 12 o'clock is my first meal. I can go in depth on my eating exactly, because a lot of people like it seems extreme. It's not. And I listen to my body. If I'm hungry, I'm going to eat something. But like I said, only eat twice a day. You don't have to be as drastic as I did. You can do a different method, but I'm just saying, watch how many calories you eat. That's gonna make thing. If you working out and still eating junk food, it's not going to work. This is not gonna work. You're not gonna see results. So you might see like you probably lose 1 to 2 pounds because you're working out, but you have to eat healthy. And try to make each meal at least have something green in it. Like for breakfast, I eat the same things every day too. I know. So for breakfast, I will eat eggs and a handful of spinach. Make sure it has something green in your meal. And also, you don't have to give up everything. I know a lot of people say carbs, blah, blah, blah. I love carbs. So the bread I like, well, the bread I get now is only 40 calories. So I'm like, still give, still healthy. And I'm not giving up everything that I love. Okay. So, like I said, nutrition. And oh my god, I forgot that. I forgot this. I can't. Sugar. Sugar. Cut out sugar. Cut it out. And I swear, if you stop eating sugar, alcohol, don't give up. You don't have to give up alcohol. I still drink. I just drink differently. As in, I drink alcohol that has low calories. Like if I drink some Patron, has less calories. Whoever know. So if you drink Patron, drink something with, like, a lot of people think it's nasty. I would drink like vodka soda. I mean tequila soda, right? And it's actually just, you know, sparkling water and tequila and less calories, and you still get buzzed. Okay. Champagne, I can't drink champagne, but it has low calories as well. But I'm saying, just all you do is like make a slight change in your eating habits, and you still can be yourself. You still can drink if you want to. Just be mindful of how many calories that everything is. Okay. That was the most important thing I feel like with losing weight, is nutrition. So we got that out the way. Nutrition, basically, just eat less. That's basically it. Eat less, okay, and drink plenty of water. Since we talked about food, let's talk about bowel movement. I know this is part TMI, but it needs to be said, and we need to work on this. I personally, I was not nutrition. I'm sorry. The camera died. Part 2. Let me fix this a little bit. Okay, boom. So, what I was talking about? Okay, I was talking about, oh, a bowel movement. Okay, so if you're not regular, like I said, I wasn't like regular. Like, I have to eat extremely healthy to be regular, and you need to have about, they say every day, but if you're not doing it every day, at least 3 times a week is still good. It's better than waiting till your period to have a bowel movement. Yeah, that's not healthy. It's not healthy. So if you're not regular, take fiber. I have a picture or a link on the one that I like. Take fiber. You can drink it twice a day. I try to drink it sometimes every other day or whenever I remember. Do not judge me. But taking fiber is going to help you with a bowel movement. And also supplements, as in, make sure you're taking your multivitamins, and if it's that time of the month or it's almost that time of the month, make sure you're taking iron, but take it on an empty stomach. It's so many rules, but believe me, we want to be healthy. This is 2025. We need to work on our health. 2025, okay? So we saw that was 2 tips, right? I told you about nutrition, and then we talked about fiber. Now let's talk about working out. I do suggest, before you, well, in the beginning of your workout journey, your lifestyle change, start doing only cardio. This is just my opinion. We need to lower your body fat. We don't want to add muscle on top of fat, so just do cardio. And you do not have to run to lose weight. You do not have to run. I don't run. I don't like running. So I do a fast-paced walk on a high incline on the treadmill, and it works. You will burn calories, you will sweat, and you'll feel it in your legs. So that's what I do. And now I only do about 10 to 15 minutes, depending. But I usually just do 10 to 15 minutes on the treadmill, and then now I started lifting weights. Okay, and when you lift the weight, you want to lift, I say lift heavy. At first I only did 10 pounds. I thought I was gonna be like bulky, and I don't want that, you know. So I used to just lift 10 pounds, but now I lift about 20, 30 too much for me. But 20 pounds is good. 15, 20 is a good for me. And also I alternate on my workouts. So one day I probably do abs, the next day I do arms, the next day I do back, and on Friday, I know that's a TikTok thing, on Friday I do full body. That's so funny. And I do that sometimes. It depends on my mood. So like I said, you have to work out. There's no instant or better. There's no around it. If you do not have access to a gym, you can work out at home, or you can walk around your block, go to the park. You know, it's other ways to work out if you do not have a gym. And I also have a video on what you can do as well. So we talked about a lot, right? In this video I talked about a lot. Of course, drinking water, staying hydrated, being healthy, and working out. So basically, eat less and move your body more. That's about it. Eat less and move your body more. So those are my tips on how to lose 20 pounds quick. My version of quick. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them. I forgot to add, you don't have to work out every day. You don't have to work out every day. You can work out about 3 to 5, well, that's every day, damn it. 3 times a week is good. But once you start losing weight, you start getting addicted. I swear, you'll start getting addicted, like, oh my god, look, that in his clothes. And then you're gonna start working out more. But you don't have to work out every day. And it's okay to have a cheat meal, but just that following day or right after that meal, get back on your lifestyle change. So yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, like I said, leave them below and I would love to answer.